Everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11 apps without switching your entire window theme. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to search bar, type Notepad. You will see this theme is white. Just click on settings. Here you will see app theme. Click on this. Select dark. Your Notepad theme will be dark. Next one is Microsoft Edge. We are going to Microsoft Edge. Click on three dots. Scroll down. Click on settings. Here you will see third one is customize theme. Click on customize theme. Here you will select dark. You can also select the color. These colors according to your theme, or even you can color theme or image theme also. The next one is Microsoft Office apps like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. So we are going to Microsoft Word. Here you will see file. We are going to file. Then click on options. Here you will see in general office themes. Select. Here you will see the dark gray, black, white, colorful. If we select on black, the office theme will be black. Submit down. When we click on colorful, the office theme will be colorful like blue, white, and much. The next one is window terminal. Go to search bar, type terminal. Click on the new tab right button, right arrow. Click on settings. Go to appearance. Here you will see application theme. Click. You will see dark, legacy, light, window theme. Click on dark. Then save. Terminal theme will be dark. Next is Windows Photos app. Again going to search bar, type photos, click on photos. Click on settings, customize theme, select dark, the window photos theme turn to dark. Next is Windows Calculator app. Again going to search bar, type calculator, click on calculator, click on three lines, then go to settings. Here you will see app theme. Click on app theme, select dark, calculator theme turn into dark. And that's how you enable dark mode across multiple Windows 11 apps without touching window personalization setting. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and comment which window tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.